Healthy recipes, Ooti Asangba thongba. Ooti, also known as Ooti thongba, is a traditional Manipuri dish that is popular among Manipuris and Northeast Indians. Cooking Ooti thongba simply and straightforwardly. Although this is not the traditional way, I have prepared it in a healthy manner using readily available items. Rice should be soaked and set aside. The leaves of the palak or pankuklamana should be cleaned. Ginger should be finely chopped before cooking. Add all the ingredients: sodium bicarbonate, palak/pankukla leaves, pre-soaked rice, sponge gourd, green peas, spring onions, to a pot, and heating them to a boil is how you make this dish. When it becomes soft and smooth, remove it from the heat and keep it aside. Take another pan and heat the oil and fry onion, spring onions, ginger and asafoetida slashing, and spices. Pour the cooked ingredients. Stir occasionally, cover the lid and simmer in medium heat for about 10 minutes or till the colocasia leaves looks mussy. Now add the milk and salt. Let it simmer for another 5 minutes. Garnish with coriander leaves. Serve it hot. Ingredients: palak, traditional way it should be taro or arbi leaves, pankuklamana. 1 small cup of rice. Green peas 1 cup. Seabot, sponge gourd. 1 teaspoon soda. Half glass of water and half glass milk. Green chili. 1 teaspoon cumin. 1 onion. 2 tablespoons mustard oil. 1 or 2 glasses of water. Salt for taste.